Hello everyone! In today's video we will discuss defer off-screen images. What is it, why it's important, and how to fix it. What is it? Lazy loading defers the loading of the resources on the page as long as they are not needed. Instead of loading them right away, which is what normally happens, we allow them to load later. This technique helps in improving performance, better utilization of the device's resource, and increase the time to interactive. It is the amount of time it takes to the page to become fully interactive. The technique of lazy loading can be applied to just about any resource on a page. For example, even a JavaScript file can be held back if it's best not to load it initially. Same deal for an image, load it when it's needed. When a browser loads a page, it will load all the page resources that are not deferred, including images that are only visible to the user once they scroll down the page. This means that the browser spends time during the initial render of those images that are not necessary to be downloaded right away. How to fix the issue? You can resolve the issue by lazy loading the images that appear below the fold. There are multiple different ways to implement lazy loading, so you should work with your developers to understand the most appropriate one for the website you are dealing with. There will be a full guide on lazy loading images and its documentation in the description of the video. And if you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support, which is support@sitechecker.pro. See you in the next videos.